Hello everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a very unique use case where we were working with a customer and he wanted to bring his own key, and that key, we only wanted to give access to a particular S3 bucket in which they will have access. So this is going to be a little bit of a hands-on session, how we can create the right KMS policy and ensure that only that bucket has access to the key and no other bucket can access that KMS policy. So let's get started and please follow along. This is going to be a working session. So first thing what I need to do is I come here, I choose the Key Management Service and let me close the other tabs. So I come here, I create a key, I choose this and let me choose U2 cube and I choose key for one S3 bucket. I'll skip the tag for now and this is where what we could do is we could just provide this root permission, or we could give it only to the specific user, IAM user, whom we want to give access. But this is what we need to do as part of this policy and set up change, wherein we need to put a deny. So let me write the policy. So I'll just do a SID. That's a identifier, and I'll just put deny access. Request is not for, say, YT test bucket. And let me create this bucket as well, just to ensure, because as we all know, the bucket name has to be unique across. It's not for our account, but across. So let me just create this bucket, and I'll just choose YT S3 bucket. And now this is all blocked. Bucket versioning, I don't need bucket versioning. I'll keep it disabled for now and create bucket. So now my bucket is created. I come in here. I choose the on of the bucket that I want to only give access to. So then I'm going to be using a deny as part of this setup. So what I'll do is I'll come here and choose effect is deny, and then I choose the principal. And then I choose AWS. So what I'm saying essentially is that I want to deny access to these if the bucket or any resource, and I put a condition, and then this is, why is this not right? Mr. Double quote. So, this also I missed a double quote. No, that shouldn't be good. That's how it is. Oh, I put a double quote extra. Oh, that makes sense. So condition. And then this is where I say if string not equals, and put here, and I'll mention KMS, encryption, context. And now this is where I'll give this buckets on. So I'll just copy it again and I paste it here. Uploading the permission, every user will have access. And this is where I am going to be doing is that only a specific bucket will be allowed access. So for which I need to have this particular condition only be able to do on this bucket. So let me finish this and let's test it out. So I have this key, I have the bucket. Let me create another test bucket, because what we want to do is the key should only be used by this bucket and not by another bucket. So let me create another bucket and YT deny S3 key. Something like this, so I'll just give the name and I'll choose create bucket. Now I'll choose YT and this is what comes. And now I come to properties, and in here, instead of default, I will give this particular on Amazon resource name. I choose this option and I give the on out here and I save the change. So now what this will, now let me try uploading an object, and I should get a deny because I shouldn't have this access. So let me see if I have something locally in this thing. So let me do this one. Probably let me try this one and see if, okay, so I didn't allow. I got an error, which is what we wanted. But now this bucket, it should allow. So let me try that as well and change here and put it I have this. I save it. I go to objects. Take this and upload. So you see, because of this policy that we have, where we are able to suggest or tell the key that this key is only to be used by this bucket. And any other bucket that tries to use this particular key will not be able to use it because they will not be able to upload the objects. And when they're not able to upload, download is out of the question. So all these details are part of the blog. So I hope this is useful in your customer use case if you run into any. And as always, please subscribe and put in your comment for the next video you want to see. Share it with your friends and family. And if anyone has a cloud requirement or a cloud question, please post it and we'll be more than glad to help you out. Thank you and have a good day. Please like, subscribe, share the video. Please contact us for any of your cloud requirements or cloud consulting requirements. We have decades of experience in cloud and we can definitely help your organization take the right step in cloud. With that, thank you and see you in the next video.